That was a brilliant performance. Ladies and gentlemen, education means learning or studying existing knowledge and cultural heritage. Our behavior, our perception is what we have learned, either by getting instructions or by observing things around us. That's the saying, that's the behind saying. Education developed tolerance to further the enlightenment of Arfa from class 6. Please give a big round of applause for Arfa Lukman.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arfa Lukman. The topic of my speech is education aims at developing tolerance. The year is 610 The date is 10th of August. The day is Monday. A 40-year-old man sits in a cave in seclusion and meditation. An angel visit delivers the message of the highest authority. To him, the first words of the message are, Ikra, Ikra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. Read in the name of Lord who created. Mr. President, the very first message from Allah was an instruction for humanity to attain education, and in the truest sense of my religion, your religion, our religion. Islam is all about tolerance. Have you forgotten the pageant practice of buying the daughters who abolished that tradition? Mr. President, who we did, because we were educated as per the instruction from our Lord. How can anyone say that education aims at anything else besides tolerance? Helen Keller says that I quote that the highest result of education is tolerance. To comprehend the meaning of tolerance, we can have a look into our society. We live, grow, and interact with others. The ratio of tolerance is going down. The people are becoming frustrated, confused, and short-tempered. We have started believing in shortcuts and want everything to apply. Our system of education needs an high under the influence of present commercial educating system. This section has become industry, a really profitable industry where people have invested for realistic gain, ignoring the foundation of all character building aspects. It continues, Mr. President, if it continues going like that, then we will become dead, dull, and dumb dummies who have no beliefs, no values, no norms, no principles, no care of conduct, and finally no identity at all. Can we compare ourselves without ancestors? I think we cannot, Mr. President. We cannot, because we are the product of this business-oriented platform. Mr. President, I like to remind the word of Napoleon when he said, give me good mothers and I will give a good nation. By good mothers, he means nothing more than educated women. Then let me rephrase these words to make the message clear. Give my people education and I will give a tolerant nation. What the President, you and I came to this world as nothing more than time tablets. Over the passage of time, these tablets fell strike revolution of learning days. At this point, let me make very clear that by education, I never mean to limit academic presence of excellence that we carry out in our schools and universities. Education is a meta theory that governs every aspect of our lives and aims at developing tolerance. It goes very beyond the curriculums being taught. Education defines a person, his mental capacity, personality, and how he behaves in the world at large. Thanks.